Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. MSC owes me money. This is not something you usually would hear when you start watching a YouTube video, but it's true. So, we've already done a pros and cons video. We just came back from a 7-day cruise, MSC in Meraviglia. We had an amazing time, but there were some cons with that. And two of the cons are going to be in this video. So if you want to learn more, keep watching. Please like and subscribe. I'd like to say that anyone who's taken a cruise before, the only way that you're paying for anything on the cruise is by using your room key. There's no cash and there's no credit card allowed. So I put money on my room key, used some of it, and was never refunded the balance, which is over $125. It's been almost 2 months. So just a word to the wise, keep an eye on your bills. I've said this before in the last video, keep an eye on your bills because you know, first time MSC users, you know, first time using, going on the cruise, loved it. But there are some cons with it, and you really need to keep an eye on your visa bills. I haven't been refunded yet the balance that was still available on my room key, and I'm still waiting for it. And it's 2 months, and I have my travel agent looking into it since I booked through a travel agent. So this is something that is definitely a con. And for my second con, another screw up that happened on my credit card is, as you can see, all these lovely people waiting in line. They're not waiting in line to eat or to have fun. They're waiting in line for guest services because there was an issue with their billing. I was charged 3 times on my credit card for gratuities. The cruise was prepaid, so I already paid the gratuities. Then they charged me a second time, which they refunded, and then while on the ship they decided to charge me a third time, which I had to go down and wait in this lovely line with all these happy people in order to get that rectified. It was reimbursed, thank God. Supposedly it's a system glitch that they automatically charge you gratuities even when it's prepaid. So guys, be aware and check your bills, as I mentioned before. Thanks for watching, and I hope all this helps out.